What's up guys? I hope that you're having an awesome day. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do weekly videos about health, wellness, and weight loss. I talk about natural lifestyle in general and what it's like living out here in Hawaii. Today what we're going to be talking about is some really cool natural products that I love. I have been chemically sensitive for the past 10 years, which means I can have all different types of reactions to chemicals. So it's led me down a path of searching for the most amazing and clean natural products. And I love to share them here with you guys if you are looking for natural alternatives. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to be talking about, the first product, is shampoo and conditioner. I have been using this for probably about 5 years, and if you guys have seen some of my previous natural product videos, I've definitely mentioned them before, but I haven't done one of these in a while, so I wanted to bring up some oldies but goodies again for anybody who's new. Organic Excellence is a really amazing company. They design their products for people who are chemically sensitive. Everything is just really simple and clean. There's basically just different natural extracts, vitamin E, vitamin B5, vegetable glycerin, olive oil, and water in here. It's really clean, and I love the way that it cleans and conditions my hair. So definitely check these out if you're looking for a new natural shampoo and conditioner. The only downside to this brand is they just have one scent, which I like. Some people haven't loved the scent of it, but it's called Wild Mint. It's very light and not super strong like Dr. Bronner's peppermint. It's not gonna like make your head tingle or anything. It just has a really nice and light scent. So check these guys out, Organic Excellence. The next product that I want to talk about is from Dr. Bronners. This is a sort of newer line of soaps that they're making that is called Organic Sugar Soap. Sugar Soap. This flavor, or this scent by Dr. Bronners, is lemongrass lime, and I really love this. It has a really nice texture. It's smooth when it comes out, and it's not like the other Dr. Bronners soaps where it can get all like crusty in the pump. This one is nice and smooth, and it works really well. The lemongrass lime, honestly, just is amazing. I love using it as a body wash. I love getting to wash my hands with it. It just feels really nice. So this is a really great new product. Obviously, Dr. Bronners uses fair trade ingredients, and they're very simple, natural ingredients. So this is a great hand soap to put in your bathroom. Another product that I want to mention that's kind of an older product, and I probably talked about before, but it's definitely worth mentioning, is Rosewater. This really helps my skin because I have more kind of sensitive skin. It tends to get sort of irritated and red sometimes, and this really helps to calm it and reduce redness. Formula, it's basically just water and hydro essential rose. Like, that's it. It works really well, and it's made from European roses. How fancy. Oh, and the brand for this one is called Heritage Store. Next, I want to share with you a product that I've been excited to talk about for a while, but I haven't mentioned it yet in a video, and it is raspberry seed oil. This is a really great UV protective kind of oil. It's a little bit stronger SPF than coconut oil, so this is great if you live somewhere where you're going to be getting a lot of sun, to just use as a regular moisturizer throughout the day. It is kind of expensive, so I'm not like putting it all over my whole body. I'll kind of just put it on my face and chest and shoulders, the areas that are going to get a lot more regular sun. But it has a really nice scent, and it's like a nice clear yellowish color, and it smells sort of like raspberry tea. And I definitely notice a difference going in the sun with it. It for sure helps me to not get sunburn. I definitely am careful about my sun exposure because I'm Irish, and I will cover up with a sarong. So this isn't to be used like, you know, if you're going to be at the beach all day long or something like that. You definitely want to use a stronger sunscreen, but for just regular natural sun protection and moisturizing, I really like it. Let's see. Okay, so this is, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. It's either called Leven Rose or Leven Rose. But they have this really awesome Rosehip night serum, which is an amazing scent. The first time I smelled it, I was like, whoa, like what is that? I felt like I was having like scent memories come back to me, but I couldn't exactly figure out what they were. But I love the scent of it. It's just very unique. There's a lot of cool natural oils in here. Rosehip, carrot seed, raspberry seed, pomegranate seed, tomato seed. There's just so many different seed oils in here, and the scent of it it's kind of intoxicating for me. I could just keep sniffing it. And it definitely makes my skin feel really soft. When I put it on at night, I wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh, I just feel so dewy. So this is a cool product to check out. And this brand also has a bunch of other nice serums and oils that are organic and natural. The next product that I want to talk about is Uncle Harry's Natural Products. This is a liquid remineralization formula. And I have to say that since I've been using this for the past couple months, it's definitely helped with tooth sensitivity in certain areas. And I just love the fresh feeling that it gives me after I brush and floss. It's a really great sort of mouthwash, and it's just different essential oils and sea salt, and it works really well. Very clean, and I just like this brand. Next up, we've got Gaia Herbs Turmeric Supreme Extra Strength. So I really am so grateful for this product because it's just a lovely alternative to having to take Tylenol or Advil. It's just concentrated turmeric basically, and black pepper, which helps with the absorption of turmeric, and it works so great for pain. I've taken it when I have cramps. I've taken it for headaches, for muscle tension and tightness. I took it when my wisdom teeth were coming in, and I just overall really appreciate this product. And I also like this brand Gaia a lot because they do a really great job of sharing the different sources of their ingredients. You can kind of go on their site and read about the different products and see where each ingredient is sourced from. So that's really cool. So Gaia Herbs Turmeric Supreme. Last but not least, you know I can't do a natural products video without mentioning CBD oil. I really love this product. This is one of my favorite products that I've incorporated into my life in the past year. CBD oil has really just given me way more of a relaxed feeling in my life. I have other videos if you want to learn about CBD oil and the benefits that I've had from it. But yeah, this brand is what I really want to talk about because they have such a great story behind them, a great message of, you know, why they created this brand. And it's just really clean and simple. They use organic oils in their products. And so this is basically just hemp extract and organic extra virgin olive oil. They also make a mint chocolate hemp oil, and they have capsules, they have creams, and I've used everything, and I just trust this brand and really like them. So if you've been in the market and kind of hearing about CBD, I would highly recommend this brand over other ones. I have tried other brands and they either just don't work or they have like so many ingredients in them. So this one is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Make sure that you subscribe to see my weekly videos, and links to everything will be down below. So I will see you guys in next week's video. Take care.